All right, we're almost ready to make our Alfredo sauce. So we're going to take our shrimp. We're going to pull them out because we're going to be mixing that with our pesto sauce. I'm going to take these out and put them aside. I'm going to give our fettuccine another stir just to make sure that it's not sticking. And we're going to start making our Alfredo sauce. So we're going to put a pan on here. And we're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. And if you'd like it really, really creamy like I do, you can add 3 to 4. So while the butter is melting, we're going to add our garlic. And we're going to move our butter around the pan. So we're not going to let our butter dissolve all the way down because we're actually going to be cooking it in our cream. And so we're going to take 1 cup of heavy cream. Again, heavy cream is going to taste a lot better, a lot richer than thinner cream. And then we're going to go and generously add about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of Parmesan cheese over the top, and then we're going to let that reduce.